So I'm going to talk in this video about what happens when you purchase the HR Excel Superpower product from hrreportingtools.com. When you purchase it, you will be receiving a zipped file or a compressed file. You would download it to your computer and then you will right click and then extract all, and this will open up a window like this where you say just start extracting all the individual files, and now it has created a new folder. And so when I open the folder, I will see all of these files. And you can see that I have 30 different files here. And this is because we have 15 templates in this bundle as of now. We'll be adding more in the future. But right now we have 15 templates, and all the 15 templates, we also have a sample file. So you can see, for example, here I have the 9-box grid sample file and 9-box grid empty file, compliance training dashboard sample file, and then the empty file. So the sample file is for your reference. So let me open up one of those sample files. I'm just going to open this, and it will require Microsoft Excel to open in your computer. So if you have Microsoft Excel, then no problem. And it has opened for me in the other window. So let me bring that up here. So you can see now this is the Excel template, which is a sample file. And you can see I already have sample data in this file. And you can also see the 9-box grid, which is the output. So this is what a template will look like. I'm going to close this one and let's go back and open up a Recruitment Manager template. So I'm going to open Recruitment Manager. And this is a specific template to manage recruitment in your company. And once it opens, you'll be able to see what kind of data is necessary to input. So here I have, you can define your settings, you can enter your jobs data, you can enter your applications data, and then the dashboard is automated. So you'll be able to see all of this information instantly calculated for your own recruitment data. You can even click and then filter, slice the data however you would like. So this is an example of Recruitment Manager. So if I want to do leave management, then I will choose the leave manager data here so I can see the sample. So I'm going to open the sample, and I'm opening the sample files and not the actual files, mainly because the sample files have data, so I can show you what it will look when you enter the data. So now I've opened the leave manager template, and in the leave manager, similarly, we have the settings, we have the entering the employee data, entering the leave data for those employees, and then you will have a balance report, a daily report, an employee report, which shows you for a specific employee you can choose, and then it will update the information, and also a monthly team dashboard where I can now look at a specific month and say, for this month, show me the availability, show me the leave of employees. This is how simple it is to work with this template. Now, in each of the templates, in the first sheet, we will have links for you to go and check out the user guide, which will tell you how to use that specific template. We have a dedicated support portal, and you will be able to see step-by-step instructions and video demos, and you will never feel left alone. You will be able to get started with the template without any issues. If there are still further any questions, you can always email us at support@hrreportingtools.com, and we'll get back to your email within one business day. Thank you very much for watching.